What's going on, you Brapaholics? Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I'm wearing a hoodie. We're in September now, and it's like someone turned a switch on, and it's now fall, apparently. So yeah, it's chilly out. All right, so a lot has been going on in the background of things. As you can, I'm in the garage right now because it is windy as heck outside, so I just don't want the wind noise to get in the way with stuff. Hopefully that's okay. Like I stated in a couple of my other videos, I've just been really busy with work. 'Cause if you don't know, I sell on eBay. So I'm down to 3 pallets now. So I finally got room in the garage. There's space over there now. Not much, but there is some space there. I'm actually working on like 3 other videos right now at the same time as this video. That's why I haven't posted much here in a good week or so. So yeah, I do apologize for that, but trust me, it's gonna be worth the wait for some of the stuff that's coming up. So yeah, I guess that's a little bit of an update of what's been going on. If you didn't watch my last video, I stated that I'm getting the snow bike out again. As of right now, I'm just fixing it, but I have some plans for it here soon. And I'll let you know on the details when it's ready. I'm shrinking the swing arm up, and I'm changing the jack shaft up a little bit, and I'm making new supports for the skid because it wasn't very good last year, but now I have the time. I'm gonna do it properly, and then we'll have an awesome video of that here soon. So that's what's been going on with that. Tomorrow we are going over to Tin Cup track over in Luther with my best friend Wyatt and some of his work friends. You guys will see them here soon, and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna be riding bikes. Wyatt's gonna be on his Defender. I'm not sure. Brock might go. I don't know yet. Brock's putting a new clutch in his bike, so that's what he's been doing. For whatever reason, he is having trouble getting that fixed, and so we're gonna help him with that here shortly too. Another thing is it's Labor Day weekend. Well, it's Friday. It's almost Labor Day weekend here. I put Hot Tamale out for sale just to see if it'll sell. I got a kind of a high price on it. If it goes, it goes. I'm not in a huge hurry to sell it, and I don't necessarily need to sell it. I just want to see if it will sell because the market's just really good for quads right now. The reason I'm selling it is because, for one, I bought it as a good deal. It needed fixed up. If you haven't seen those videos, please check them out. But I fixed it up. The frame was rusting. I painted the frame back up, replaced parts on it, and got her back up to par. Nice quad. Only reason I'm selling it is just to make a little bit of money on it, and then we'll get something maybe bigger or newer. That's kind of the plan. Not a big hurry on that. All right, so last weekend I wasn't home, but the family did go on a trip. So I sent Brock on the trip with my GoPros. So he captured some footage. Brock being Brock, he's not a very good cameraman yet. I'm working on him, I know. I'm working on him, but so he did capture some footage, which is good. Well, yeah, which is good. They did find one wet marshy area, and of course Brock did not record it. So I need to teach him a lesson or something. I don't know. like those trails. They never been on them before, so we'll probably end up going there next year or something, try them out again. But it seemed like it was a good time. Got the bike out. I'm going to take a little joyride. Plus, I need to go find some scrap metal for the snow bike. So I'm going to go over to the scrap pile at the farm and see what I can find. But I guess I can also chat with you guys a bit. It is pretty windy out today, so I do apologize if it's going to be a little windy on the camera. And plus I need to get a mic for this GoPro to do some of these vlogs when I'm talking to you. The farm is chopping corn silage right now, so we can go take a little ride and see how that's going. Ride in the cornfield a little bit. If you don't know what corn silage is, in dairy farming, we like to feed corn, not just the corn kernel, but the whole corn stalk to the cow. So that's what we're doing, is we have a machine that chops the whole corn stalk into corn silage. And the corn then gets fermented in a silo or a bag of some sort and creates the silage. That way we can store it for months. So that's not a combine, that is a self-propelled chopper is what that is. Bumpy through there. As you can see, if this is a combine, you would see scrap. You would see scrap corn stalks laying on the ground. We took this chopper, came through and cut everything, and it chopped it all in little pieces. As you can see, this lane did not get sprayed for weeds. So this lane actually had weeds growing, whereas these, everything else does not have weeds. The dirt bike's perfect for riding in cornfields. I just slot right in between the lanes. Brandon wants me to drive. Alright guys, so my Friday kind of took an unexpected turn. If you didn't know, my family owns a farm. I used to work on the farm, but one of our trucks broke down. I got roped into doing corn. They had two guys that were just looking for parts and everything. It took all day, so they really needed help. So I just decided I would help pitch in, drive the hay truck for a couple hours. But this is the stuff I used to do all the time growing up. If you didn't know, and I haven't really talked about it all too much, but I did quit the farm a couple years ago, and that's why I'm doing the stuff I'm doing now, because I just wanted to go a different route. But yeah, I have to kind of got to pay attention. Right now I'm dumping the feed into the bagger. It's probably those white tube things you're looking at right there. Those store feed. They look like giant caterpillars, I guess you could say, or snakes. So yeah, I'm basically dumping feed into a giant sausage stuffer, but for feed. So I'll try to get some shots of this, and hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys liked this short video. We got more content coming. We just gotta get things fixed first. But stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.